Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do 5 different exercises or stretches that are going to help relieve low back pain. All right, we're going to start out on the floor with a med ball bridge squeeze, where we're going to put the med ball in between our knees, feet in, like we're going to do it like in sit-up position, so feet in right to here. Pinch your shoulder blades in the back, pop your hips up, and then squeeze at the knees. So you want to be squeezing this hard enough to where your legs are shaking. It's hard to see on camera, but your legs need to be shaking or you're not squeezing hard enough. And now from here, we're going to move on to the 90-90 crunches for our second exercise, where we're going to get our low back flat. A lot of time with back injuries or back pain, when you're doing core exercises, it aggravates your back because you're not keeping it flat. You have an arch in your back. So press your belly button to the floor, get your low back flat, and then bring up your feet to where you have 90 degrees at your hip and 90 degrees at your knees. From here, we're going to crunch, just up to there. Keep those knees stationary. Our third exercise is going to be dead bugs, where we're laying on our back. Again, back flat, arms and feet up. And now we're going to go opposite arm down and opposite leg down, keeping the other two up. Come up and switch. Our fourth exercise is going to be a bird dog. Now for bird dogs, we want to be on our hands and knees with our back straight, and then just kind of like the dead bug, we're going to use opposite arm, opposite foot. So arm out straight, opposite leg out straight. Now bring the elbow and the knee together to touch. Exhale, you should feel a crunch in your core, and then reach back out. Now we're going to go over a pigeon stretch for your glute. So a lot of times with back pain, it's caused from tight hamstrings or tight glutes. Now for the pigeon, we're going to start out hands and knees. We're going to bring our opposite foot over and back, and then just kind of lean back. So I have my knee out in front and my other leg back. I feel this stretch right here. And then I'm going to push up a little bit. That way I feel it in the hip flexor over here. So I feel this glute, this hip flexor. Now there's a quick tutorial for our top 5 exercises or stretches to help relieve low back pain. And remember, if you have any pain, don't push through it. Always pain-free range of motion. Don't forget to click the video for the next in the playlist. And if you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Top 5 exercises to help relieve low back pain. Throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.